Hello everyone and welcome to tnvakademi. Today we are going to dive into the topic of production and in-process controls under ISO 22716, which focuses on good manufacturing practices (GMP) for the cosmetics industry. Production and in-process controls are crucial in ensuring that every cosmetic product meets the highest standards of quality and safety. The aim is to ensure consistency throughout the manufacturing process, reducing the risk of contamination errors and defects while delivering a safe product to consumers. Planned and documented processes. First, every production process must be carefully planned and well documented. This documentation should clearly define all the procedures to be followed during production. The instructions should cover every step from raw material handling to final packaging. Following these instructions is crucial to ensuring that products are manufactured in a consistent manner, adhering to the quality standards outlined by ISO 22716. Documentation also includes detailed descriptions of the materials, quantities, and specifications that must be followed. This ensures that operators and staff members know exactly what to do and how to monitor each phase of production. The goal is to minimize variability and ensure every product meets the defined specifications. Monitoring and control systems. ISO 22716 places a strong emphasis on monitoring and control throughout the production process. Monitoring involves closely observing every critical parameter that may affect the product's quality. This includes checking factors like temperature, pressure, and humidity during production, as well as ensuring that equipment is functioning correctly. Control systems are implemented to detect deviations from the expected standards. These systems include regular inspections and tests during production, ensuring that any issues are identified and corrected immediately. Controls are not only technical but also involve human oversight to guarantee that procedures are being followed properly. In-process controls. In-process controls are key elements that occur throughout the production cycle. These controls help ensure that the product remains within its defined specifications as it moves through various stages of production. Here are some common factors that are monitored. Weight and volume. Every product batch is checked for accurate weight and volume to ensure consistency in the final product. pH level, especially important for products that come in direct contact with the skin, such as creams or lotions. pH levels must be within specific ranges to avoid irritation or harm to the consumer. Viscosity. This refers to the thickness of fluidity of the product. Consistent viscosity is important to ensure the product performs as intended. Color and odor. Visual and factory checks are performed to ensure that the product matches its intended appearance and fragrance profile. These checks are conducted at regular intervals, and any out-of-specification results prompt an immediate investigation to determine the root cause and apply corrective actions. This approach minimizes waste and ensures that only high-quality products move forward in the production line. Batch traceability. One critical requirement in ISO 22716 is the traceability of each batch produced. Every batch must be assigned a unique identification number, which is recorded along with the detailed production data. This number helps track the batch from raw material to finished product, ensuring full traceability in case any quality issues arise after distribution. Batch traceability allows for quick investigation and recall actions if necessary. If a defect or contamination is identified in the specific batch, the traceability system helps pinpoint where the problem occurred and isolates affected products before they reach the market. Corrective actions. If at any point during production the product or process deviates from the defined specifications, immediate corrective actions are required. This might involve halting the production line, rechecking processes, adjusting equipment, or even discarding non-conforming products. The aim is to identify the root cause of the problem quickly and implement a solution before the product advances to the next stage. Corrective actions ensure that quality is maintained throughout the entire process and only compliant products reach the consumers. Equipment cleaning and maintenance. Another essential aspect of production and in-process controls is the regular cleaning and maintenance of equipment. In the cosmetics industry, equipment must be cleaned and sanitized to prevent contamination of products. Cleaning procedures should be documented and schedules must be strictly followed. The equipment must be inspected regularly for any wear and tear or potential contamination risks. Proper maintenance ensures that the machinery operates efficiently and minimizes the risk of breakdowns that could disrupt production and lead to product defects or safety concerns. Continuous improvement. Lastly, ISO 22716 encourages the practice of continuous improvement in production and in-process controls. Companies should constantly review and analyze their processes to identify opportunities for enhancement. Regular internal audits, staff training, and process optimization all contribute to better control, reducing the risk of errors, and ensuring long-term success in maintaining product quality. In conclusion, we can see by implementing robust production and in-process controls as outlined in ISO 22716, companies can ensure that their cosmetic products meet the highest quality and safety standards. These controls help maintain consistency, prevent contamination, and build trust with consumers. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have any questions related to this ISO, please feel free to ask, and also stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about storage and distribution. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.